to all my lunch breakers. It's your girl Samira, aka TeeTee. Say it with your chest, TeeTee. Say it with your chest, TeeTee. And welcome back to another round of Lunch Break Chronicles, y'all. Bloop. What's good, everybody? What's hot? What's not? What's good, everybody? 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 Well, welcome back to another round of Lunch Break Chronicles. And today I'm in my kitchen, as you can see. I'm in my kitchen, but don't be looking all hard at whatever I got in my kitchen, okay? But today we're going to be doing, if you read the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my infused water with fruit. I call them infusions. That's just something I call them. This is how I make my infused water. I use fruit and mint leaves because I like to drink these infusions at least once a month for a week. I make 5 bottles. So I don't do a full 7 days. I do 5 bottles, 1 each day, just to, you know, get those antioxidants from the fruit, just to get those antibiotics, just to get, you know, my body like a little detox, and, you know, just to rejuvenate my body, my skin, my mind. I'm on this whole like journey to meditate, exercise more. I'm on a spiritual journey as well, getting in touch with my God more. So these infusion drinks are definitely something that I love to do, and I love to drink them. A lot of people think that they're nasty because it doesn't have like a lot of sugar added to them, but from the natural sugars from the fruit, it makes the drink, or it makes the water taste sweet. So like, they're not nasty at all. They're actually good, and I found like the best like ingredients and the best fruits and the best combination that I like and that works for me. So let me guys show you how I make infused waters, okay? But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button now and become a lunch breaker. I got new videos coming every week. You never know what I'm gonna do, okay? I do pranks, I do motivational speaking, I do rants, I do challenges, I do whatever I feel like it that day. And you can also comment below and let me know what you want to see me do, okay? I'm all for like comments. I'm all for that. Any feedback is good feedback in my book, whether you like it or not, all right? So definitely hit that subscribe button. Now, let's get into this video. Okay, so here I have my bottles of water. I have my mint in the middle. I have my fruits that I'm going to use: cucumber, lemon, strawberries, watermelon, and of course some blueberries here. And of course you need a chef knife to, you know, cut everything up. So these are the ingredients that I have and I like to use. Okay, so I'm going to start off by taking my and pouring out some water from the water bottles and pouring it into my, because when you put the fruit into the water, it's gonna of course overflow, so you don't want to have too much water in the water bottles. So I just, you know, pour just a little bit out. And I also need water for my food as well, so that works. So just keep pouring out some water into your other container. To the side, okay, so first we're gonna start off with the strawberries. Now, because these lids are like super small, the strawberries are gonna be super easy. And before you get started with your fruit, you want to make sure you rinse all of your fruits and you wash them really good, you know, just in case there's anything on them. You always want to wash your fruit and your leaves, okay? We don't want anybody getting sick. So just cut up the fruit like so. Can you guys see this? I'll zoom in later. Cut them up. Okay, so now you can kind of like, for the bigger pieces, you want to cut them in half. So like you take this and you cut it in half. So now you have two halves from that, so that you can easily put them in the bottle like that. Because if you don't cut it in half, then it won't fit. So the strawberries are going to provide the natural sweetener. And it also has a lot of like antibiotics and a lot of good stuff in strawberries as well. So you just want to put a couple in each, not too many. Because, you know, strawberries are naturally sweet. So you don't want it to overpower. And then you can put the rest in my... Next is the watermelon. The watermelon gives it this nice flavor as well, because watermelon has a lot of water in it, and watermelon is also naturally sweet. So it just gives it this you gotta taste it to know what I'm talking about. I can't really explain it, but we're gonna cut these because we know we're putting them in the water bottles. We're gonna just off the bat cut them small enough to fit in the water bottles. So I can just pop these right in my... So we got a snack. Next is blueberries. Blueberries are the easiest because they're small. So just pop a couple blueberries in there. I'm not a big blueberry fan, but blueberries are powerful. Like, they're great. So just pop a couple blueberries in. I'm not gonna put too much because, like, again, I'm not a big blueberry fan, but I do want all the probiotics and stuff that the blueberries have. Now, the cucumber. Nice cucumber there. We're not doing the cucumber challenge. We're doing this for infusions, okay? So we can get our mind, body, and soul together. Do you feel me? So now we're gonna just cut the cucumbers up. I love to leave the peel on the cucumber because the peels of a lot of fruits has so much good stuff in it. So I'm gonna leave some of the peel on. I'm gonna cut some of it off and then leave some of it on. And slice them. Because I want y'all to see this. Y'all not really going to see my face a lot. Because I really want y'all to see this. Okay, so we're going to put these. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slices of cucumber into my... The same thing we did with the watermelon and the strawberries. Once you cut them like this, you're gonna cut them in half so that they can fit inside the water bottle. You can use These little water bottles, you can use a gallon. It all depends on what you like. I'm a mom on the go, so I just want to grab and go. So that's why I do the water bottles. If you did use a gallon, it would be a little bit more easier. But I don't like easy, okay? So pop a couple of those babies in there. So now let's put the mint in there. With the mint leaves, you just grab it right off the stem. And I like to break one in the middle like that so that it can get its stuff going, everything it has going. So I usually just do 2 mint leaves per bottle, depending on what you like. And last but not least, we have lemon. We all know what lemon is capable of doing. Like, we all know the benefits of lemon. Skin, nails, everything. So I slice them up. I like to take the seeds out if I could. And you gotta like slice them up really thin because you gotta fit them inside of the water bottle. So don't forget that part. So hopefully you could jam that in here. We're gonna do 1 lemon for each. Or 1 like peel of a lemon. Y'all did not see that. Y'all ain't see it. We're gonna cut this in half. And drop it on. And that's it, you guys. That's it, okay? So it does take about 4 hours for it to fully infuse. I like to leave them refrigerated overnight. You also should keep them refrigerated. And they also last for about 4 to 5 days. Anything longer is not good. So thank you guys for watching my video on how to make fruit water or infused water. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to spread love, peace, happiness, and joy. And thank you again. I'm out.